video. I was inspired by my top today. This is what I'm wearing. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to create a really nice look for Memorial Day featuring this top. It's gorgeous. It's sunny as heck outside. It's 94 degrees. And I'm sweating in this mug. I have my AC on and I'm still sweating. I am using the Juvia's Place Sahara palette for this look. If you have it, go ahead and bring it out because we're using this palette. There's no other palette. All the products will be listed down below if you really want to know what I've used. I really don't like putting it on videos because it really increases my rendering time. So it takes me like 10 hours to render a 5-minute video that could have been rendered in like 2 hours. So I really will feature every product as I use it in each stage at the bottom. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. You're not no celebrity. I'm nobody. I'm just all about doing makeup and having fun. So stick around and don't be a stranger and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you do enjoy this video and you'd like to see more tutorials. And then I also have a poll throughout the video. Make sure you select what you really like to see from me next. And also, if you wanted to leave a comment, you can leave a comment as well. I do respond to my comments. Everybody knows that I do respond to their comments. Don't be a stranger and leave a comment down below as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, taking that on the Anastasia angled brush. Just going to do my brows. Now I'm going to be taking the Borghese. It's called the Protective Moisturizer and it has SPF 15 and it's really sunny outside. So I normally like to put a moisturizer that has SPF to protect my skin from the sun. Don't think that because you're black you don't need moisturizer. I need to take these earrings off. They're really bothering me in the whole process. I'm going to be applying this. It's called the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminating. It's kind of like a bronzer stroke primer. It just gives you kind of like a bronzy dewy look. It has a little tint to it. Now I'm gonna let this marinate and then I'm gonna focus on actually cleaning up the brow area. I'm actually gonna be taking some part of my Tarte Rain C concealer and this is in deep and I'm just gonna clean up my brows. So next we're going to be taking the Girl Pro Primer Base and this color is called Nude. This used to be my staple in eyeshadow base. I just haven't been reaching for it. So, and I'm just going to take my index finger and blend out the base all over my lip. So I am actually just going with the flow. I did a couple of looks for clients yesterday. I was inspired to recreate some of the looks that I did because I tend to do more spectacular looks on clients than I would do on myself. So I'm using the Sahara palette from Juvia's Place and this is how it looks like. So we're just gonna take a Morphe 505 brush. It looks just like this and we're gonna start with this color at the bottom. It's called Taza and we're just gonna pop this in the transition area. And because it's such a pigmented color, I'm just going to build this color up because it is really pigmented. I really didn't pack too much and it still is showing. So imagine if I dip my brush all the way, this color would be like all over the place. So you guys see the motion I'm doing? It's like a V motion and then I'm bringing it in and fanning the color out so that it's more diffused. Now I'm going to be taking the Morphe MB23. This is just like a nice spread out detailed fluffy brush. And we're going into this dark brown. This is called Fez. It's really beautiful. And we're just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to bring this color right in this outer V area. building the color gradually. So I'm just gonna build the color to the point that I want it, where I want it, and then I'm just going to bring it into the crease. I think I might need to apply a different color apart from the palette. So bear with me because I want something darker. This just isn't doing it for me. So now I'm gonna go with this nice burgundy shade. It's called Tora, and we're taking the M513. This is another Morphe brush. Like I said, I did clients yesterday and I washed my brush the same day, which I never do. And this was kind of similar to the look I created for this lady. And it was banging. I was like, damn, I need to rock this look tomorrow. Because I never do these type of looks on myself. I tend to do these on clients. And then when it comes to myself, I'm a little chicken. And then I'm going back into the first brush and further blending out the color. Since we got a whole lot going on, I was thinking about using Embark from MAC to deepen out the crease, but I decided to go against it. I'm gonna go with this like seafoam color. That's the color I'd call it. It's called, I'm not even gonna pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. I'm just gonna go. So we're just gonna dip this on a flat brush. This is just a regular flat shader brush. I think I got this from Coastal Scents, and this eyeshadow is gorgeous. And you guys can see that I'm fanning this up, so I'm bringing it a little bit up on the crease, but not all the way. And I'm kind of blending that into that burgundy. Now I'm going with another Morphe brush that I should have used, the Morphe M330. This brush, see how pointed it is? I'm just gonna go back into that cranberry color, and we're just gonna lightly dust it and like blend it out in between that, and I'm just gonna blend out the harsh lines as well. I'm kind of trying to blend the colors together so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm gonna go in with a brow highlight. We're going with this color Aziza for a brow bone highlight. I'm gonna take this color, just gonna dab a tiny bit of that Taza color. I'm gonna tap this off because this color is ridiculous, and I'm just gonna blend harsh lines of the brow bone highlight and the conditioner color. And as you guys see that I brought this really out. So now I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna go ahead and be applying the No Filter, and I'm just dabbing a little bit of this to my places that I want to highlight. So it's also kind of like the Amazing Cosmetics primer, but it's really good and it closes out the pores. I'm also using the Smashbox Photofinish foundation primer. You guys really don't have to follow exactly what I use. This is just what works for me. As you guys know, I'm gonna be turning 32, and we gotta keep this locked up. This face, it has to stay like this for the next 10 years. So, I use a lot of anti-aging products, and I like to have my makeup like canvas, really flawless. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the compact form. The last time I went to the CCO, they had this on sale. It was only 10 bucks. So, what do you think I was gonna do? I was gonna get it because I was like, damn, that's fucking cheap. And excuse my language, excuse my French. So basically all you do is press this little button and the liquid comes out. And I do apologize, I live exactly right by the train station, which is so fucking annoying. Oh, hell no. This better not be a freight train. Oh, I hate when this happens. Why me? Why me? This train is gone. Like, damn, I hate when this happens. So, just gonna dab this foundation on my face. That train was so annoying. So when I did somebody's makeup one time, let me tell you what happened. So this lady, she basically brought her foundation, her Estee Lauder foundation, and was like, oh, I only want this on my face. This is what I'm used to. I don't like anything else. But I hate when people do that. in general. Cause I'm like, okay, then why not do your damn makeup? If you are so sure of yourself and you know how to do it, I don't have to do your makeup. Like, it ain't no biggie. And I didn't tell her that exactly. I just was like confused. And then I looked at the shade of the foundation. This lady was wearing the same exact shade that I would wear. And she is freaking like 2 shades darker than me. So, and then I was trying to tell her, and she was like, oh, no, this is what I wear. Oh, no, that's my shade. I was like, okay, I ain't gonna say nothing. Okay, that's your shade. We're gonna use it like that. I mean, people like that, I don't argue with them because that's what they're comfortable with and they want to look lighter than they normally are. I just want to look my shade. And if I want to have spectacular highlight, I can highlight myself and make to oblivion and make myself highlight. Now that we're done with this, I'm going to be going with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And this is in Caramel. And don't be scared, guys. This concealer is the bomb, but once I blend it out, it won't look crazy like. So now I'm gonna take the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. And this shade is called Banana. And with powder, I don't do the baking method anymore. I just dab like a little bit of the powder and like dust it over the highlighted area. This method pretty much works for me because it reduces the flashback. I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze my face out. My face looks a little bit weird. I'm just gonna take the Shea Moisture bronzer in Mandalay Dusk, and I'm just dabbing that a little bit just to give myself a nice glow. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the NYC liquid liner in black. I'm not winging anything because I really have this dramatic look, so I'm not doing mine. Then I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Troublemaker Lash Mascara. I'm just going to give my lashes a couple of coats. I'm going to take these lashes. These are the Lash Pop lashes in Send. So I went ahead and applied my lashes because unfortunately the camera died. This happens to me all the time with this camera. I love this camera, but it does crazy wacko things. So now we're gonna go and focus on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna be incorporating this blue color because of my outfit. I don't know, there's something about this blue color that makes it intriguing to me. I'm gonna take a pointed brush and dip it in here, and we're gonna run this halfway on the lower lash line. And then we're gonna go to the next color. We're gonna also dip it, and we're gonna go right in that same spot and rub it like as close to the lash line as we possibly can get it. And it's just gonna create that same gradient effect on the top. And thank you guys that are actually the video I just uploaded today. You guys have showed your support, and I'm so really glad to be back in full swing of things. And we're gonna go with that blue color. This blue color right here. It's called Berber. I don't even know the names that they give to these eyeshadows. So weird, but we're gonna place that color right here. And then I'm gonna go into this Marrakesh. I don't know. This is kind of like a peach tone, and I'm just gonna dip that on a fluffy brush, and I'm actually gonna spray some Fix Plus on this. Now I'm just gonna be taking the Makeup Forever eyeliner in M10, and we're just gonna apply that to the waterline area. And then we're gonna take the mascara and we're gonna apply that to the lower lash line as well. Then I'm taking the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan. And I'm using this to basically set everywhere else on my face. Then I'm going to be applying blush. I'm applying MAC's Breezy blush. I'm just lightly dipping this, and we're just going to add a little bit of color to the cheeks. And then we're going to be taking a highlighter. I'm taking another highlighter from ColourPop. It's called Hit Rewind. Yeah. Now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Charged Water, and I'm going to spray my face down. Yes! Uno momento! Now I'm going to be taking Plum Lip Liner from MAC. And we're going to take this. Now I'm going to take the NYX gloss in Tiramisu. And we're going to apply this all over the lip.